Hey, Texas Rider here. I'm bringing you a video today trying out the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. There's a new feature on there called GPS activity stats, and you can see it on the screen here in just a minute. I'll have a longer video up for you to check out where we went and stuff like that too, but I wanted to just show you this GPS activity stats. Let's check the video out.
Oh, check. I'm testing out this, I guess the GPS active stats. See if that works on the overlay for the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. About to head to, it looks like Brookshire. Yeah, how's it? Oh, it looks like it's starting to rain a little bit. It's alright. Check. Arnold, can you hear me? I guess Arnold can't hear me.